Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Fly Life. We're on our way to get the airplane out and head to Stennis International Airport to visit the Jetaway Cafe for lunch.
Good morning.
All the traffic on the other side, it must be a wreck.
Watch out. Yeah, a lot of folks. That's fine.
I will
Taking off. Just touch and go. Ready to load up.
Number 511 Kilo Uniform Mobile approach Mobile altimeter 3024.
All right, we're headed over
Number 1 disregard.
to pick you.
Number 736 Uniform Tango contact Q Center 127.65.
Stennis after taking off,
Number 260 Charlie Lima climb maintain 10,000.
taking off from St. Elmo.
November 6 Uniform Tango contact Q Center 127.65.
As you can hear, it's busy for mobile approach.
November 1 Mike Lima contact Gulfport approach 127.5.
127.5 on Mike Lima.
Number 17 change my frequency 134.75.
We're about to climb through 4,000 feet for 4,500. That'll be our cruising altitude. Mobile approach will probably hand us off to Gulfport shortly.
Coast Guard, or correction, 172 loud and clear. Sky was 3294 to right heading 145.
Right now, our
145, Sky was 3294.
ground speed is 92 miles an hour, but we're
November
climbing.
260 Charlie Lima, climb and maintain flight level 230.
All right, we're at cruising altitude, and we've just been handed off to Gulfport approach.
Navy 1 Alpha 162, turn left heading 360.
Our ground speed is 110
Navy 1
miles an
Alpha
hour.
162, just let me know when you're on your last approach, and will that be a full stop whenever you're on your last?
We're at 4,600 feet.
Roger.
And I'm going to lose a little altitude to get back under that. Pretty hazy out here. There's a Coast Guard helo at our 2 o'clock. Nope, it's not a helo. That's a Coast Guard twin fixed wing. He's about 1,000 feet below us.
GoPro Tower, information uniform is now current. Altimeter is 3024.
Our flight path will take us.
30 Yankee traffic no factor. Maintain VFR at about 2,500 for Gulfport and Keesler's Class Delta airspace.
Okay. Gulfport approach told us to maintain VFR at or above 2,500, which is not a problem. We're above 4,500.
Viper 144, turn left heading 270.
Turn left heading 270, Blackbird 144.
We're going to be flying over Keesler Air Force Base and over Gulfport on the way to Stennis. And runway 18 is active at Stennis. So we're just having fun here, looking at stuff.
It's hazy.
Yep, very hazy. All right, I've lost my connection to the outside camera, so I hope it's still working. But here's a video of how hazy it is.
Viper 144 and 7 miles from Bayou, turn left heading 170, maintain 2,000 still established on localizer, clear localizer, runway 14 approach.
I don't.
Turn left heading 170, maintain 2,000 still established, clear for localizer, runway 14 approach, Blackbird 144.
Don't really know what's the matter with the connection.
162, 5 miles from Hanko, turn left heading 210, maintain 2,000 still established on localizer, clear ILS, runway 18 approach.
The reason he told me to stay at or above 2,500 is that is the minimum altitude you can fly over Keesler and Gulfport. They've got that cylinder around them, and the top of that cylinder is 2,500 feet.
Viper 144, contact tower.
Contact tower, Blackbird 144.
Mobile approach was very, very busy. A lot of airplanes were flying around on our ADSB here. It's pretty quiet now over Gulfport. We're just about to pass north of Biloxi and in the casinos. I'll get a little shot of that. All right. Okay.
Alley 30, clear VOR Yankee, runway 14 approach, maintain 3,000 until your final turn inbound.
Keesler Air Force Base is just ahead and off to the left of our nose.
Navy 1 Alpha 162, go for approach, radar contact, turn left heading 030, vector ILS.
020, excited.
We're making about 108 miles an hour ground airspeed and about 110 miles an hour airspeed, ground speed, I'm sorry. So very little wind right now. Our altitude is just a little bit above 4,500. I don't see any airplanes around us. Well, I do, around Gulfport, but they're lower. I just wish it wasn't so hazy. It'd be a lot more beautiful. Okay, we've got the airplane trimmed out really good. Pretty steady at about 4,500.
Navy 1 Echo 086 is with you, 4,000 with the request.
Navy 1 Echo 086, go for approach, say request.
Navy 1 Echo 086, request the RNAV 18 followed by the ILS at 1.
Lots of Navy traffic in and out of Gulfport. A lot of Navy practice students, primary and advanced. Fixed wing.
For approach, that interstate again.
Fixed wing propeller and jet for training.
Rocket 31, contact New Orleans approach on 133.15.
We are on course and on time. Stennis is about 20 miles ahead. I'll start my descent about 12
Hey,
miles.
1 Alpha 162, 7 miles from anchor, turn left heading 210, maintain 2000 until established on local logic, clear ILS for runway 18 approach.
Alpha 162, turn left 210, maintain 2000, clear for the ILS, Zulu, runway 18.
If the outside camera's still working, then Gulfport Airport, Gulfport International straight ahead. Here are about 10 miles from Stennis, and we've been told to enter left downwind for runway 18. Trying to lose some altitude here to get down to pattern altitude, which is a little over 1,000 feet. But losing about 500 feet a minute to get there. I'm currently at 3,500. So from here on, we're going to shut the camera down and we'll take a little video when we get there, and then try to take some video inside the terminal and the restaurant too. So we'll see you then.
All right, we've just arrived at Stennis, and we're going to get chalked up and into the restaurant. Here we are in Genoa. Busy, busy place.
Yeah, it's cool. Very nice as well.
There we go.
Ready.
Okay, we're getting ready to depart Stennis. We've had a good time. The meal was good. We ate with a lot of military pilots, a lot of Air Force, Navy, Coast Guard, and Army pilots as well. We're up here eating.
Everybody represented.
Everybody well represented. Proud to be a fire serviceman. So we're going to head back to Mobile, and if there's any camera left on the outside, hopefully it'll get some of it. I don't even know if it got any of the trip over here. It's been contrary. So anyway, we thank you guys for riding along with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.